Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the top 5 best VS Code extension that you can add to your VS Code right now. But before I start this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So everybody's asking me, hey Codemo, what kind of theme are you using? So let's get into the VS Code right here, and we are going to take a look at something called material theme. So here it is, a fresh install of my VS Code, and what we can do is go to the extension tab here, and we can extension tab, then click and search for material theme, and it should be the first one. So click this one and click install, and it will automatically install to your VS Code machine. So just wait, then it will install. So here it is, it already installed. So what you can choose the theme we want, and let's choose this one, and you see the theme already changed. But if you don't like any this theme, what you can do is and go to the settings and click color theme, and still you can change. See, that's all, and it's as easy as that. Okay, for number 2 is going to be material icon theme. So as you can see, our icons here don't look very cool, so let's make it cool by just going to the material extension tab, sorry, then we can search for material icon theme, and it should be the first one to pop up. So let's click this one, then hit install, and it will automatically install to your machine. So let's choose this one. So if we scroll down here, we can see a bunch of icons, like for cucumber, as you can see, for angular. So if we go to our file, you can see the icon for HTML, right? Now it looks cool, it's showing each icon. You can see the icons. That was cool, right? Alright, for number 3 will be for the lazy people, okay? And this one is called auto renaming tags. And let's take a look again. We can go to the extension tab and search for auto rename tag, and here it is. It should be the first one. Click this one and click install, and it will automatically install to your machine. So let's go to the the HTML codes and test if it works. So it is, let's try for h1 maybe. Let's try for h1 hello world. Well, so what basically this does is, if I want to change this h1 to paragraph, all I have to do is type p, and it will automatically change for me at the end. So you don't have to go to individual section. You can just change once and it will change for you the last one. So that's all for this auto rename tag. So for number 4 is my favorite one, and this one is called a live server, and I think every text editor should have this one. And what it basically allows us to do is we can generate a server, not Wi-Fi, okay? And whenever we save our files, our HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, whatever you want, it's going to automatically reload it for us, so we can see live changes. So if you want this live server, all you need to do is go to the extension tab here and search for live server and click install, and it will install. So now after installing, you should be able to see a live server pop up here after it installed, and there we go, it says loading, and we can just hit go live. After we do that, we're just going to open our HTML here with hello world, and what we can do is every time I just save something or add something to my HTML file, it's going to automatically start or refresh my page. Okay, for number 5 is called pretty format, and unfortunately it only works on code and not on real physical humans, okay? But it's still pretty. So if you want to install this one, all you need to do is go to your extension tool and search prettier. So here it is, click install, and it will install to your machine. So once we install this one, all we need to do is go to the settings tools and here, and we just need to search for something called file on save, and here it is, and we can just enable this one. And let's go back to our HTML file again, and once we save this file, what it does is it automatically arranges your codes. Okay, so that's all, and also it works for JavaScript as well. So that was the last one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, goodbye.